The media is shouting, doomsday is coming, recessions, layoff, AI taking all the jobs.
One of the biggest employers in the Bay Area is cutting thousands of jobs because of AI.
This week, Microsoft announcing it is laying off nearly 4% of its workforce as it tries to refocus more on AI.
While everyone is panicking, I'm here to tell you this present digital era is here for you with the greatest opportunity of the lifetime. And no, this is not about cryptocurrency. People like Steven Bartler, Mr. Beats, Ali Abdaal quietly build something really powerful for themselves. Asset that pay them again and again and again when even they are at sleep. And living a life with their own terms from anywhere they want to work from and how they want to work. For the first time in history, you can own a recurring revenue generating asset without needing any cash in capital. If we haven't met before, hello, I'm Masud Parvez. I'm a Chief Information Officer turned into entrepreneur, founder of VSHR Group, and author of 100x book series. This book series provide transformational toolbox for business and professionals. Throughout my journey, I have built my own digital empire, and I'm here to show you how. My digital empire includes digital asset, intellectual property, courses, exclusive data access, and so on. Now I have customers from all over the world, including 155 countries, that generated a hockey revenue growth. In last 12 months, my course learners spent almost 2.5 million minutes into skills that is changing their life. That all started with a small conversation with one powerful questions with one of my mentors. John, you are building digital product that make millions for your company. But what digital product do you own? That question hit me really hard. And that led me to build my first digital asset in 2017. My first income, yes, it was just few dollars. But the magic was, it was coming again and again and again every month. And that's the moment I realized the passive income isn't a luck, it's a system that inspired me to invest and experiment with different aspects, get the help from different mentors around the world, and build my own passive income operating system. That's what we have learned in our school. To build any asset, we will need money capital. But now, to create a digital asset, it doesn't require almost zero capital. Your knowledge is your capital, your skills are your investment, consistency is your compounding interest. But here's the problem. This is why most people are stuck on the journey or never had any digital asset. Because most people don't know how to package their knowledge, cannot stay consistent, and lack of a proven roadmap. This is not just another course. This is the foundation of your financial freedom. That's why I built this passive income OS challenge that gives you framework to build your first digital product in 60 days. Get your first 100 customer in 30 days. Get your first recurring revenue income $50 in your first 60 days. Tools to grow your revenue from $10, $100, $500, and more. Community that keeps you consistent and accountable. Imagine this. You wake up, your phone buzzes, and there's another sales from your ebook, from your online course, from your templates, or any other digital assets you have created. Revenue in the morning, revenue in the lunch, and revenue at night when you are sleeping. Because digital product works for you 24/7 days. So the question is about why you and the most of the people you know around yourself, why don't have this yet? Because traditional school system never taught us about this new asset class, which is this digital asset and digital ownership. But the world has changed, and this membership will ensure you don't fall behind. And at the same time, you make the best out of this asset class. In 60 days, you will launch your first digital asset and you will have your first $50? That sounds less, right? But there are two key things which is very interesting about this $50. This $50 is a recurrent revenue. That means you will receive it every month. And the second best part is about monthly recurring revenue. $50 will not stay fixed. It will grow from 50 to 75 to 100 to 200 or even 500 as well. And that's how you will have a monthly recurring revenue at a growth rate where it's increasing every month and you're receiving it every month too. That is not your dream. That is the very first starting point which you're gonna get through this membership. Whether you are a professional, freelancer, housewife, or even student, it doesn't matter. You already have values, skills, knowledge, and experience inside of you. And that is going to be very useful for a lot of people who are sitting different part of the world. Passive Income OS Challenge in 60 days will help you package your values, experience, knowledge, and launch it to the global marketplace and keep growing your recurrent revenue. Your monthly revenue will evolve from $100, $200, $500, $1,000, $5,000, even $10,000 as well. Because this is not about just working more and making more money, it's about buying back your freedom. So, if you're ready to start becoming a person who can stop trading time for money and start building asset that works for you, click below and enroll into the Passive Income Challenge today. Let's build together your first digital asset and get your first $50 recurrent revenue out of your digital asset. So what are you waiting for? Let's sign up right now and let's start winning.